Hello everyone, my name is Trương Minh Thánh. My student ID is 2514630 and I'm from London. I'm currently a student majoring in mechatronics engineering at Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology and Education, or HCMUT for short. I chose to study engineering at HCMUT because the university is one of the top technical schools in Vietnam and it provides strong practical training and modern facility. Also, I always been interested in how machine and technology work, and I want to apply my knowledge to solve real world problems. In the next 5 years, my goal is to become a skilled engineer who can work in an international company or maybe start my own project in automation or robotics. To achieve that, I plan to study hard, improve my English and technical skills, join student research groups, and look for internship opportunities to gain more experience. I also want to keep learning about new technology like AI and smart manufacturing. Thank you for your listening.